First, connect the extension cable and leave an extra length without tightening in order to protect the connector from loosening or breaking. Next, screw the plate onto the panel slightly. Not too tight, so you can still adjust the cable. Then fasten both sides of screws and make sure it's secure. Clean the glass surface with alcohol wipes and the bottom of the suction cup. It will prevent the scratch from the dust. After that, you can adjust the angle you prefer and also not to block driver's view. Then press EasyTabs to make sure it's firm on the windshield. Finally, clasp the panel and enjoy your results. Please hide your panel properly and remove the brackets when you get out of car. Simply a precaution from the theft.